Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show how you can add competencies to your site if you wish to use them. Competencies describe the level of understanding or proficiency of a learner in certain subject-related skills. This refers to systems of assessment and grading where learners can demonstrate these competencies. With Pluto, you're able to create and apply frameworks for evaluating your learners. In order to do so, what you're first going to want to do is navigate to Site Admin on your left-hand navigation panel, and then you're going to select from the second tab called Course Management. From there, you're going to want to enable competencies, which is found in the third panel called Learning Paths. You can click on the first options, which enables your competencies, and hit Save Changes. Once you've done that, if you were to head on to Home, what you will notice is when I head on to the Learning and Development tab, there is a Competencies panel that opens up for me. And here I can go and manage my site-wide competencies and frameworks. I can add these competencies to my course. And if I were to go to Course Home, and for instance, I would click on Module 1, and we're just going to go into editing mode, and we are going to click Edit on the first page or activity over here. And just to demonstrate how these competencies can be used, you will also notice that the Competencies tab opens up for you over here. And there you can select from the competencies that you create, as well as what to do upon activity completion. In other words, attach evidence, send for review, and complete the competency. Once competencies have been created, learners will be able to view their learning plans on their profile, and it'll give them a clear guide as to what they need to do in order to be competent in a certain skill.